यस 360 अपॉन 9 यू गॉट। और मैंने आपको क्या बोला था, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, एवरेज स्पीड इक्वल्स टू d1 प्लस d2 प्लस d3। यहां पे 3 दिए हुए हैं, t1 प्लस t2 प्लस t3। और मैंने बोला था कि विच डिस्टेंस दैट यू हैव टू एज्यूम, ये सारे डिस्टेंस सेम है ना, a to b, b to a and thereafter he moves some other distance but it is the same। so मैंने बोला था आपको ये कौन सा डिस्टेंस का एज्यूम करना है, जो 30, 40 एंड 60 का एलसीएम हो, 3, 4, 6, उसके बाद आप इजिली कर जाए। सो 120 यू एज्यूम्ड, क्योंकि ये 120 ही क्या होगा, यस टेल मी, divisible by everyone, then you can easily cut it। so 120 upon 30, 120 upon 40, 120 upon 60, so that become 360 and 3 4 ja 4 3 ja 6 2 ja, so it is 9 and it is in a 40 kilometer per hour। understood it? अब समझ में आ गया, इससे आसान कोई तरीका हो सकता है? सिंपल, यू कैन एज्यूम एनी, एंड 4 हो 5 हो, वट एवर इट इज, यू कैन बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट। दिस इज द एवरेज स्पीड। नेक्स्ट वन दैट, एक और ले लेता हूं, ट्रेन वाला। चलो फटाफट करो। ट्रेन, मिस्टेक्स मत करो, ठीक है ना। You know that when the two trains are, कभी आपने देखा होगा यार, दो डिफरेंट ट्रेन में बैठ जाते हैं और दोनों सेम ट्रैक पे जा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट ट्रेन इज मूविंग द 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर, सेकंड ट्रेन इज मूविंग विद द 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर, दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं। ये इसको देख रहा है, ये इसको देख रहा है, थोड़ी देर बाद बोर हो गया, ही बिकम गेट बोर्ड, सो व्हेन ही गेट बोर्ड, छोड़ो यार इधर देखता हूँ यस, कुछ देर के बाद सम न्यू फेस विल बी देयर, और कोई न्यू फेस नजर ही नहीं आ रहा। सो इट मीन्स दे आर व्हाट, नॉट चेंजिंग देयर पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ईच अदर। इट मीन्स रिलेटिव स्पीड इज 0। when they are moving in the same direction, then the relative speed, what the speed should be subtracted with each other. 100 minus 100 means 0. One is moving 100, another is moving 100. And if one is moving 120 km per hour, then every hour he will move 20 km ahead. Yes or not? So what is the relative speed? 20 km per hour. One speed is 120 km per hour, another is 100. अच्छा, कभी आप लोगों ने सुपर फास्ट में जनरली इंडियन सुपर फास्ट तो जरूर ट्रेवल करते हैं। जब सुपर फास्ट से ट्रेवल करते हैं तो बगल से सम ट्रेन्स यूज्ड टू क्रॉस एंड लगता है कि योर स्पीड इज स्लो बट द अदर ट्रेन व्हिच हैज क्रॉस, दे आर राजधानी, रेड कलर। पहले राजधानी को उतना मेरा आइडिया नहीं था बचपन में, कोई भी ट्रेन क्रॉस करते थे आई यूज्ड टू से मम्मी ये ट्रेन बहुत फास्ट मूव कर रहा है, राजधानी है ना? मैं बोलती हाँ राजधानी है। देन मदर यूज्ड टू से यस इट इज राजधानी। मदर क्या बोलेगी, भाई क्या है? धीरे धीरे मैं बड़ा हुआ, ये तो राजधानी दिख ही नहीं रहा, इसका कलर कुछ और ही है। तो आई सेड दैट योर ट्रेन इज मूविंग द 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड देन अदर ट्रेन पैसेंजर इट इज कमिंग विद द 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो जब वो क्रॉस करेगी तो 40 नहीं, आप भी क्रॉस कर रहे हो ना, ऐसा ना, बोथ आर क्रॉसिंग ईच अदर। यस, so they will move like that. Other is moving with the 120, 80 plus 40. He'll say that it is moving in the 120 km per hour and he will say that it is moving with the 120 km per hour. So the relative speed is what? क्योंकि every hour that is towards moving each other, the every hour he is covering 40 and he is covering 80. तो distance कितना reduce हो रहा है every hour? 120. Again next hour he moved 80, next hour he moved 40. So every hour you are covering how much distance? And coming closer, it means 120 kilometer per hour. In the case when they are moving towards each other, the distance keeps on decreasing. Understood? ये तो आपको ऐसे पहले से भी जानते थे. So when the relative speed is moving in the same direction, it is subtracted, and moving in the opposite towards each other, it is added. Understood it? Yes, opposite direction में क्या होगा? Add, and I said same direction. Understood? What I am going to say that you have to see in the question that I am going to give. In that question you have to very careful. You can find out time. You can find out time when both are moving. Yes. What is the importance in this question? Yes, I said that calculate the time when both are moving. What I said that? Again I said calculate the time when both are. Yes, tell me, speak with me. Calculate the time when both are moving. Understood? Again I said that. Next point. Calculate the distance. Next point. Calculate the distance when both are moving. Calculate the distance between them when both are moving. Again I said that. What the first line I said? Calculate the time when both are moving. Yes. And next I said that calculate the distance when both are, yes or not, moving. Calculate the distance when both are, time and distance दोनों कब देखना है? When both are moving. एक move कर रहा हो, it doesn't matter. So write down the question. Yes, from where you are? District, huh? Guntur. Sonipat. Name? Ram. Your name Ram Prasad? Durga Prasad. Ram Prasad. Amit. Write down. Amit took a train from Delhi to Guntur. Or when they are moving towards each other, what does it mean? Speed will be added. Amit took a train. क्या मैंने बोला था? To Guntur at 7 a.m. with a speed of 100 km per hour. Ram took a train from Guntur पहले वाले का क्या कहा था मैंने? 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर. राम टुक ए ट्रेन, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. फ्रॉम दिल्ली बोला मैंने क्या? फ्रॉम गुंटूर टू दिल्ली, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं. बोला था? नहीं बोला था? फ्रॉम गुंटूर टू दिल्ली. एंड देन टुक अ ट्रेन फ्रॉम गुंटूर टू दिल्ली with a speed of 60 km per hour at 11 a.m. Distance between Delhi and Guntur is 2000 km. वैसे कितना है? 17, 16 कितना? चलो कोई बात नहीं. हम लोग Delhi to distance between Delhi to Guntur is 2000 km. Then find out first question. Then find out at what time they will meet each other. Second question, at what distance from Delhi and Guntur? So हमने क्या कहा? हाँ, at what distance from Delhi or Guntur they will meet? Delhi and Guntur. तो जहां मिलेंगे तो वो दिल्ली से कितना डिस्टेंस है? हाँ, ध्यान से. What the important line I have said that Mr. Amit started from Delhi. What is the speed? 100 km per hour at 7 a.m. And Ram started moving from Guntur to Delhi. Sorry, Ram started from 60 km per hour at 11 a.m. लेकिन मैंने क्वेश्चन में क्या आपको क्या बोला था बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ इट? Calculate the time when both are moving and calculate the distance when both are moving. अभी at 7 a.m. who is moving? At 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. both are moving. यहाँ पर टाइम निकालना है. Yes or not? And at that time, what is the distance between them? At that time, what is the distance between them? That time, both are moving. Yes or not? So, till 11 a.m., Amit will move for 4 hours. And he will move how much? 100 into 400 km. It means he reduced the distance. How much distance between them? So, time taken. क्या मालूम? What is the distance? 1600 km. What is the distance between them? And then what is the speed, relative speed? 100 plus 60. 160. Yes or not? Relative speed is what? Both are moving. 100 plus 60. And then 10 hours. Means after 11 a.m. they will take how many hours? So when they are meeting? At 9 p.m. in the night. So what is the first answer? 9 p.m. Yes or not? 11 से 10 hours if you will move ahead, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. to 10 hours. It will become what? Yes, is it okay? 11 years से 10 घंटा नहीं जोड़ा जा रहा. हाँ, 11 plus 10. 11 plus 10 hours. So 1 hour will become 12 p.m. And then 9 hours till 9 p.m. Understood? आपको डिस्टेंस जब दोनों मूव करेंगे तभी I can take the relative speed ना. Then we can be able to see the distance. Simple है. Whenever they are moving together. At 9 p.m. in the night they will meet. Understood? ये clear है? Yes. Clear? कहीं doubt हो तो पूछ लो. Yes. Now, at what distance from Delhi? Already he moved. Amit moved how many kilometers? 400. And after that Amit moved for 10 hours. First he moved Amit from Delhi. He moved already 400. Thereafter he took 10 hours. So 100 into his speed was 100. So 1000 it means 1400 kilometers from Delhi. They will meet at 1400 kilometers from Delhi. Yes or not? Already Amit has moved till 11 a.m. How much? 400 kilometers. And after that how much time they have taken to meet each other? 10 hours. So Amit must have traveled for 100 into 10. Yes or not? And then Mr. Ram must have moved. वो वहीं से मूव करे 11 बजे से 10 hours. 60 into 10. 600, या तो आप 2000 माइनस 1400 भी कर देते, तब भी आप बता सकते थे कि फ्रॉम एट व्हाट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द गुंटूर. अंडरस्टूड इट? Is it okay? Again I said, what I said that? हमने क्या कहा yesterday में? Amit moved at 7 a.m. and his speed was 100 km per hour. And the Ram started moving at 11 a.m. with the speed of 60 km per hour. But it is not moving. Therefore, I cannot be able to calculate the time at what time they will meet. First, I will see that at till 11 a.m. how much Amit has moved. So he has moved for what? 100 into 4, 400